This disease is the sixth leading cause of death in the U.S., and 5.7 million Americans are living with it right now. Common symptoms are mental decline, forgetfulness, and confusion.
This debilitating disease is Alzheimer's.
An amyloid is an abnormal, fibrous, extracellular, proteinaceous deposit that is found in your organs and tissues. Amyloids are aggregates of proteins that become folded into a shape that allows many copies of that protein to stick together, forming fibrils. Pathogenic amyloids form when previously healthy proteins lose their normal functions and form fibrous deposits and plaques around cells, which can disrupt the healthy function of tissues and organs.
One specific form of an amyloid is beta-amyloid 2-MXU, which is connected to Alzheimer's disease. In the Alzheimer's brain, abnormal levels of this naturally occurring protein clump together to form plaques that collect between neurons and disrupt cell function.
This is the beta-amyloid 2-MXU molecule that clumps together and forms plaques to cause Alzheimer's disease.
Surface of the neuron is a large protein called APP. Normally, APP is sectioned by enzymes on the surface of the neuron, and it frees a protein called amyloid beta. The amyloid beta protein is then cleared in the body. In the case of Alzheimer's disease, there is an imbalance. The amyloid beta protein is no longer regulated and is found in too great a quantity. The proteins assemble to form indissoluble fibrils and create senile plaques.
This is a reconstructed image of a neuritic or senile plaque in the cortex of someone dying with Alzheimer's disease. Senile plaques are extracellular deposits of amyloid beta in the gray matter of the brain. Large numbers of senile plaques and neurofibrillary tangles are characteristic features of Alzheimer's disease. In Alzheimer's disease, they are mostly composed of amyloid beta peptides. These polypeptides tend to aggregate and are thought to be neurotoxic.
In the image, red labeling is by an antibody to amyloid beta protein, which reveals the extracellular amyloid. Green labeling is with an antibody against p-tau, which reveals intimately associated dystrophic neurites. This is a beta-amyloid molecular structure which consists of many different types of amino acids.
There is currently no cure for Alzheimer's, but there are treatments to help cope and slow down the progression of the disease, such as medications or exercise. One medication is donepezil, which works by slowing down the process that breaks down a key neurotransmitter.